Thank you, son. That's the top of it. Thank you. All right, so I've got a Craftsman weed eater with the curved edge. I'll put the model number in the description below because I don't know it off the top of my head. And I couldn't find, my line got stuck, like it would not dispense, it would not come out. I was tapping it, everything like that. It wouldn't come out, so what I did was take the top off, which was not easy, especially for someone like me, not real mechanical. So I just basically used a screwdriver to push into this spot, if you can see that. There's another one, symmetrical one over on this side. And it would do what you think it is. It just pops up. But getting those to activate to go underneath these ridges, as you can see, to go underneath is what you have to do. I mean, it's similar for most things like this, but I just wanted to show those that are having trouble like me that it is what you think it is. So getting it off, I don't know a good, hey Bubba, I don't know a good tip or a trick, but I can show you the mechanics of the device. My line was caught all up in there. It was tangled, it was two. It was right here was a bunch of line, and down below that was a bunch of line. Why that is, I don't know, because I just got this. It was given to me from my sister, so I don't know how the line got in there. I know how to load it, but I didn't know how it got top and bottom. Don't know the mechanics of that. So I hope that helps. That's the way the device looks. It just goes right in like this. I'm gonna try to pop it on. I haven't done this yet, so who knows how it's gonna work.
Yeah.
Ow! Just kidding.
Ow.
Yeah, just kidding, buddy. So yeah, seems to go right back on. I'll put the line on. If there's any trouble with that, I've done something wrong, I'll come back and let you know. But a guy like me ain't gonna do it wrong. Am I right, bro?